Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Ray-Ban model, RB2140, in color code 901/58. It's a black color frame. On the temples here we have a silver Ray-Ban writing. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. This is the other side of the temple with the silver Ray-Ban writing. The lenses are a polarized green color. And on the top right lens over here, we have a Ray-Ban writing in white and a P for polarized. And the left one, we have an engraved RB Ray-Ban logo. The style of the frame is Wayfarer. Up here, we have a Ray-Ban gift box, a case to put your glasses in, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and an authenticity card.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.